Hey guys, we're going to be replacing this AC unit here. New disconnect, new whip. We're actually going to flush the refrigerant lines, put some new insulation on it. They know the new unit needs to be about a foot away from the wall, and they actually want to move it as close to the edge of this house as possible. So what I told them we would do is line up our air conditioning pad with the corner of this house, and then set our unit on that pad, and then that way we maintain their distance from the fence and gets them a little further away from their sitting area here on the porch. To get to the backyard, you're actually probably going to need to bring your new AC through here. The gate on the other side is only about 30 inches wide, which may or may not be big enough, but this one gate is wider, so but there's not much parking back here, so it'll be more or less drop it off and bring it through. But this will probably be your main entrance to get back here. When you park in the street, it's be street parking. So here's the furnace that we just put in a couple years ago. We actually have the 2-stage variable speed. Not sure how this one was set up, but we need to make sure that the Comfort R/Enhanced fan mode operation is set up on this one. New coil sitting there. Customer wants to remount that humidifier. We also need to make sure it still works. They have a So we just need to power it up with 24 volts, make sure it's still operational. If it is, remount it, which as far as they knew, it was. This damper handle right here is actually broke, so when we take this unit off, we're actually just going to put a 6-inch damper right in there for them so that they can open and close that damper on the exterior side of it. I currently have a condensate pump that's here. So we'll connect back to that condensate pump. And they got a little bit of a kink right here in the line, so that we need to fix right there. So we'll take and put a new piece of 3/8 hose down to the pump and put a little connection right there to it. Lines are behind drywall, so I actually have to flush those out and clean them. So we'll flush the lines out. And then we're going to have to run a low voltage wire for thermostat. So currently that wire goes up there, runs that way, runs across there, over, and then actually runs back over here, which you can see the smaller brown wire. So it runs a couple joists over that way, and then right above this beam is where it goes up. It's in the wall here, but they don't have enough wires, so customer is going to supply a new Nest thermostat that we're going to install, and we're going to run new low voltage wiring. But in order to get to the other side, this side has drop ceiling, but over here has drywall. So customer is aware that we're going to have to cut a hole in the ceiling here to fish that new wire up through up to the thermostat. Unless you can feel you can do it from the other side, but they are aware that they're more than likely that we're going to have to cut a hole there. No walkout, so these are the steps that go directly outside. So. Good luck.